Alright you guys, so I think I want to do a little mini vlog. Me and my nephew and my cousins and my friend, we are going to Charlotte Speedway to look at the Christmas light. Y'all can't even see tree. But I think I want to do a little vloggy vlog. I don't know how this is gonna turn out with kids, so we're gonna see. I'm gonna turn the camera over to Kaden. You have anything to say? Where are we going? Now he camera shy.
We're going to Myers.
Okay, yeah, we're going to Myers. We gotta get food first, and then I gotta do some other stuff. So yeah, stay tuned. So like, I'm switching between my phone and my Canon camera. I gotta get me a vlogging camera because I do want to start back doing that. Hopefully, as the pandemic settles down, I don't know, but I'm still gonna get one regardless. But I hope this thing is shaky. This one, like using this. My little dash thingy is like super shaky. But I'm going to pick up my cousins now. Waiting on Vasha to get off from work at 3. I need food. I'm craving tacos. Kaden said he's not hungry. I don't understand. We ate early this morning. I don't know why he's not hungry, but we're probably gonna get some snacks and then we're gonna head to Charlotte. So I wanted to keep y'all posted since my first thing was like blurry. But yeah, Caden's back there being Kaden. When the tablet's in his hand, I don't matter. So yeah. All right, you guys. So y'all, Vasha cutting up already.
Okay.
Let me move this. She's scared of my driving.
Oh my God.
But we are on the way to Charlotte. I got the kids. Oh shoot.
Why you ain't using your camera?
Cause my camera in my trunk and I can't hold it. I'm gonna try to take it out like once we stop and get Vasha something to eat. But yeah, there go the people. Y'all wave. Say hey to YouTube. Look at the little. Look at Mike say hey. We are on our way to Charlotte. Hopefully we see some Christmas light and get out of North Carolina before 10, child, because
We are going to be on lockdown.
ticket. I ain't getting no ticket. I will flee the police before I get a ticket. It's almost Christmas.
Choose your fighter. Likey inspired. Fight.
Where are we, you guys? Y'all know where we at?
No.
We are in Waysboro, North Carolina, heading into the Monroe area. We're gonna take the toll. Huh? You what? Huh? Put some sanitizer on. I meant to fill that up. Kaden got some in his book bag though. But yeah, we are gonna be getting on the toll. Oh, Jesus. I handmade the hand sanitizer.
Peppermint.
Yeah, peppermint oil, tea tree oil, which kills germs, and aloe vera oil will keep your hand from being ashy, and alcohol. Y'all want to say anything?
You trying to say my hands was ashy then. You just want to say my hands was ashy.
This is Kayla, the oldest cousin. That's Kaden in the middle. And Shamaya.
Shamaya Ariana Purvis.
Maya, y'all want to say anything?
Oh my, give me this drink. God.
What's she doing? Oh Lord, see,
This is why you never leave kids.
Let me hold that drink. I thought I could trust her with her drink, but I can't.
Knockout. You win.
So we made it, you guys. We are here. We are in line. I'm trying to figure out where do they look at the general admission left to like. Trying to figure out where they look at the oh, see, they got the movie things right there.
Oh yeah.
But we made it. The kiddos back there. Can y'all see?
Yes.
Kayla, we can't see you. We trying to get my camera to act right quick, so we can get some pictures of the kiddos. But hopefully we'll see some lights soon. Like, we bought tickets online.
Your head hurting now.
I don't know where they check tickets. They're gonna check tickets somewhere, I guess, but we haven't got to the point where they actually check the tickets. So yeah. are back in Sherrill.
Erica, you wait till last minute to start that song.
I'm about to drop the kids off. Maya is up. She just woke up. We're getting them something to eat. What the hell going on at McDonald's?
Slow today.
They making your McFlurry. I'm surprised they didn't say the ice cream machines down. Yes. Thank you. Have a good night.
You too.
But yeah, I'm finna drop them these kids off. Any final words, Maya, Kayla? They say they had a good day, child. Oh. Kaden is not out, honey. If you can see that little thing back there.
And he won't get off of me.
He had to come off his cotton candy high. But yeah, that's it. Basha, anything?